September is a month of in-betweens. The garden is full of what summer left behind. Baskets of tomatoes from the greenhouse, sunflowers towering above everything else, and walnuts dropping daily from the 2 old trees in the yard. At the same time, there's a quiet shift. The fields stand bare where crops once grew, evenings arrive sooner, and the year begins to turn a page. It's a season that asks you to enjoy what's here and prepare for what's coming, to finish what you started before it slips into another year. So last week, I finally brought back the big man list, and it worked. Writing everything down made it feel less like a mountain and more like a series of small hills. I managed to get a few important things done. The carport got their first and a fresh coat of paint, and I started moving the old dead hedge that the previous owner had cut down for better views, and I even built myself a new working table, which already makes projects in the workshop so much easier. It feels good to see things ticked off, but of course, as soon as you finished one job, you notice 2 more waiting. So the list keeps growing. This week, I'm continuing outside work, tackling a few more of those jobs, and yes, adding a couple of new ones as well. Let's see how far we get this time. I want to tick off a few more of those easy jobs before continuing with the big jobs, like finish insulating the workshop. And today it's kind of cloudy, but they say it's not gonna rain, so it seems like the perfect day to finish painting the canopy here. So I'm gonna do that today.
I hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? So much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter. Oh, we have to give it one more try, now that the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No Oh no. One more time before it's over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more. We can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for?
I'm pretty sure all you rose lovers out there will tell me this is the most wrong place I could put this rose. But it was annoying me along the house, and I have this vision that it will just grow up through what's already there and just blossom next spring with these most beautiful and scented roses. Probably won't happen, but we tried. I want to tick off another one on the big man list, a quick one. And I need to get the greenhouse winter ready. So I'm making a little planting table inside the wooden extension on one side, and then small shelves on the other side so I can get stuff off the ground. And I also need to take down a lot of the plants inside. It's done. The season is done.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me should I know that you believe in me? So painfully quiet and slow, I try my best to move on, letting go. Just like the winter snow. Tell me and be honest, tell me should I've known that you'd believe in me? So painfully quiet and slow. Tell me should I've known. Try my best to move on, to let go.
That's it. One more ticked off. Pretty easy. So now I'm gonna take the rest of the day off because it's someone's 1-year birthday. So I think we're just gonna celebrate with a lot of time playing in the garden. Feels like yesterday I brought him home. This tiny, clumsy puppy who somehow managed to make the house feel bigger and smaller at the same time. Since then, he's been part of everything, from long days in the garden to endless hours of sanding and painting, to just curling up beside me when I needed a break. Of course, it hasn't all been easy. Puppies never are, but he's growing into such a companion, curious, stubborn, always nearby, always reminding me to step outside and breathe for a moment. From the small bundle I picked up last winter to the big character he's become today. Happy birthday, buddy. Is there in fact anything better than clean windows? I don't think so. I bought this steamer about a month ago, thinking I could use it for cleaning all around the house, including the windows. And I just have to say, it works so well. I use it for the windows, the floors, the couch, especially the bathroom. I can keep going. You need one if you don't have one. I linked it down below. You're welcome. I think that's it. That's it for the week. But I also feel like I've been doing a pretty good job this week. Took off paint canopy. I removed all of the ugly hedge. Next week I'm gonna plant a new one. I cleaned windows. I built table and shelves in the greenhouse. Yeah, I think that's it. And we had so much fun. And we celebrated this one. He's happy. 1 year, baby. 1 year. Say goodbye. Okay. See you, and thank you for watching. See you soon.